I'm JTS 12Volt. Just thought we'd show you Neil's six-wheeler with the lazy axle. Now, we've just installed his 270 XT Max awning from the Bush Company, and we've also installed his Maxtrax on the side of his Canopy here. Now, with the Bush Company awning, it is extremely easy to access and open up. It's as simple as opening up a fan. So a huge amount of space. It's a 2.3 metre awning, and we've got a power system heading into the rear of the canopy, ready for camping. Like I said, it's as easy as opening up a fan. So now we're going to have Mark show you how easy it actually is. So he's just putting it through the cam buckle, and then it's tied off to the front roof rack and pulled taut. So then we come round, that's the first piece, then we come back to the back here and we grab the second piece, unraveling it from underneath, walking it around, and then tying it off around the other side of the vehicle on the other roof rack and turn with the turnbuckle. It's really simple to set up. If you're needing your Bush Company awning installed, give us a call here at JTS 12Volt on 07 5445 5930.